Apple is about to shake things up with the iPhone SE 4, marking its first affordable model in 3 years. This little gem is expected to start mass production in December, and it's shaping up to be something special, different from any budget-friendly iPhone we've seen before. What's really cool is that the SE 4 is set to debut some brand new tech that we usually only see in Apple's flagship models. Analyst Jeff Pu from Haedong International Securities spilled the beans that this phone will be the first to feature Apple's in-house 5G technology. That's right, while Qualcomm is still supplying modems until March 2027, Apple isn't wasting any time getting its custom design ready for action. Here's where it gets interesting. The SE 4 will introduce a custom baseband chip, which is a big deal because it's not just another system on chip. This could really change how Apple handles connectivity. A previous report from TD Cowen pointed out that Qualcomm's 5G modem costs about $28 a unit. If Apple ships its projected 90 million units for the iPhone 16 series in 2024, Qualcomm could be looking at a cool $2.52 billion in earnings. By switching to its own 5G modem, Apple aims to cut those costs and reduce its reliance on Qualcomm. Smart move, right? But here's the kicker. Apple needs to be super careful with pricing for the SE 4. The best way to keep things affordable: ditch Qualcomm's modem altogether. Johnny Strauji, Apple's senior VP of hardware technologies, has been vocal about the company's drive to develop its own cellular chips, which makes this switch even more exciting. Now you might be wondering how this will affect your day-to-day experience. A recent report suggests that moving to an in-house 5G modem might not really change how most users interact with their phones. In fact, you might not even notice the difference, but here's the upside. Having more control over the hardware and software could lead to better battery life and performance, plus less dependence on third-party suppliers like Qualcomm. So, as we gear up for the iPhone SE 4 launch, it's clear that Apple is setting the stage for something pretty exciting in the budget smartphone game. Can't wait to see how it all comes together. What do you think about Apple's approach? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. Apart from this, one of the most exciting recent reveals is the transparent back cover, which has been making waves online. People can't stop talking about it, and it's easy to see why. It gives us a sneak peek into what could be one of the most awaited phones of 2024. Earlier, tech insider Sonny Dixon shared some images on X showcasing a back cover case for the iPhone SE 4. What caught everyone's attention is the flat back panel featuring a larger cutout. But the real game changer here is this new transparent case that lets you see all the little details of the phone's design, complete with precise cutouts. It's like getting a sneak peek behind the curtain. Another tipster, PipFix, also chimed in with images of these transparent cases on his X account. The cutouts are clean and sharp, making it easy to imagine what the phone will look like. One interesting feature to note is a cutout that seems to be for an action button. Could this be a mute switch? We'll have to wait until the device is officially unveiled to get the full scoop on that. The design hints at a horizontal camera setup, with a flashlight sitting in the middle, along with a microphone. On the right side, there's a cutout for the power switch, and the left side features cutouts for the volume buttons and that mysterious action button. This camera arrangement is reminiscent of the iPhone XR, so it looks like we're in for a familiar yet refreshed vibe. I'd love to hear what you all think about this transparent back cover. Feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you want to stay in the loop with exclusive content and early tech updates, make sure to join my Telegram channel. The link's in the description. See you in the next one. Until then, take care.